Introducing a Magen Eco-Energy Solar Pool Heating System. In 2007, we installed the solar heating system. The data confirmed that from mid-2007, we started to see a significant decrease in gas consumption. To this day, this system provides an excellent energy-saving solution. We are not experiencing any maintenance issues. When we require service, we are immediately being taken care of. For me, as responsible for maintaining the pool, it is extremely important to have a reliable system I can count on.